Hey there, I'm Tim Davis, Technical Product Marketing at Spacelift, and today we're going to talk about the new and improved onboarding and learning experience inside of the Spacelift Launchpad. Now, as before, we've got the knowledge base, we've got videos, we've got frequently asked questions, but the real big change is coming in the new Learn section. We have 4 modules of interactive training to teach you how to use the product, how to use different features, maybe learn some things that you haven't done before. So whether you are a brand new user or you're an experienced user that's looking to figure out a new feature, this is definitely the spot for you. We've got sections on foundations, operational safety, configuration reuse, and delivery at scale. And like I mentioned, all of these are completely interactive. So for instance, when we come into foundations under getting started with ground control here, create your first stack. When we start this, it's going to walk us step by step through doing that. We need to navigate to our integrations. We need to filter via our version so that we can set up our VCS, which we've already got set up here, but this will have us go and set up our GitHub integration. Once we do that, we can go to a next step. It's going to give us sample code, so that we can actually come through and deploy a stack. This is great for new users who don't necessarily want to use production code just yet, if you're just trying to figure out how the platform works, or if you want to test out a new feature with code that isn't necessarily production code. It'll keep your progress all along the way and show you exactly what's happening inside of your process. Whether you're a beginner or an enabler or a commander, we will help you get up to speed with all of the features and things that you can do inside of the Spacelift platform as quickly as possible. For more information, check out the documentation. Please always let us know your feedback on these modules, or if you would like to see any other features or other learning paths. And check us out at spacelift.io.